Hi, my name is Ashley, and this is Module 2, Understanding Our Body's Anatomy. In this module, we recommend everyone to write notes in the notes section below, or any questions you may have. By the end of this module, participants will be able to name the 6 main organs in the female reproductive system, discover how menstrual periods work, and identify whether they have any problems with their periods that they should discuss with their doctors. Starting off with Section 2.1, Anatomy, the female reproductive system. This system is made up of the internal and external sex organs that function in the reproduction of an offspring. Starting off with the vulva. The vulva provides protection by opening and closing the lips of itself. It is known as the outer part of the tract. This is called the labia majora, which are known as the outer lips, and these are the inner lips, which are called the labia minora. Next, the vagina. The vagina is known as the birth canal, and it has a tubular structure as shown in this image. It also connects to the uterus, which we will discuss in a minute. Next is the cervix. The cervix connects the body of the uterus to the vagina and protects the female reproductive organs from infectious bacteria and viruses. Next is the uterus. The uterus is known as the middle portion of the tract, and one known fact is that the inner layer sheds during menstruation. This is also where a fertilized egg is implanted during pregnancy and where the baby will be developed until birth. Next, the fallopian tubes. The fallopian tubes are between the uterus and ovaries and serve as a pathway for the ova and egg cells, which travel from the ovaries to the uterus. Ovaries. Ovaries produce eggs for fertilization and they make and release the hormones estrogen and progesterone, which play a role in the regulation of mammalian reproduction. It also makes the ovum, which are female reproductive cells that are matured. So this is how the female reproductive system works and how each organ helps one another. Next, menstruation, section 2.2. So how does it work? Every month, your body will be prepared for a possible pregnancy. The period begins once a person is beginning puberty, or anyone who has a uterus. In the beginning of one's period, the uterus lining will thicken and shed. The shedding is just soft tissue. Cramps will also start to occur. In the follicular phase, which is the second phase of a period, a hormone will signal the ovaries to grow egg cells. While the egg is maturing, a hormone will signal the uterus to create a lining of soft tissue again. In the next phase is the ovulation phase. Hormones will signal the ovaries to release an egg. Lastly, the last phase, in the luteal phase, the matured egg will move to the fallopian tubes where it will be held for at most 24 hours, or just a day. If the egg is not fertilized, the woman will not get pregnant. If the egg is fertilized, however, the egg will move to the uterus and get attached. A placenta, which is an organ, is then developed. Next section, 2.3, we will be discussing when one should see the doctor. There are many things and signs that should not be taken for granted and ignored. The average age for a young woman to get their period is at the age of 15. If one has not gotten it at this age, a doctor should be seen. Do not be scared or hesitant to ask your doctor any questions you may have. Periods come in a span of 21 to 30 days. If your period comes at any time before 21 days or after 45 days regularly, it would be beneficial to seek a doctor. Heavy bleedings that lead to changing your pads or tampons 1 or 2 hours or less is not a good sign. Periods should regularly last 7 days. If it is lasting longer, this could show a bad sign. Cramps are normal during periods. However, it is not good for cramping to be bad to the point that causes limitations in daily activities. These activities could include walking up the stairs or just regular daily walking. Like I said, do not be hesitant to ask your doctor any questions. They are there to help you. If you have any comments or questions, notes can be written in the notes section of this module below. Thank you.